Welcome to Kanye CRP. In order to create a calendar, access SYST09 transaction. In this transaction, click the New button. Here, enter the company for which the calendar will be created, enter the calendar name, the year for the calendar, and if this calendar is to be created through a reference to an existing calendar in the system, mark the Create by Reference checkbox. Click Confirm button to proceed. Now, in the Week tab, under the Factory Calendar, you can enter the days of the week and their working time as start hour and the end hour. You can press the Insert key on your keyboard to add a new row to the table. Next, on the Holidays tab, you can enter specific holidays for the calendar. Mark it as a holiday if it's a holiday, and then enter a description. You can again press the Insert key on your keyboard to add a new row to the table. And if it's not a holiday, or just a special day, do not mark it as a holiday. Click the Save button to save the calendar.